ASCOLOUR aprons are not just stylish, they actually outperform all the other brands that I've tried this year.
You haven't tried any other brands.
This is the only brand I've tried this year. Hey there everyone, have you ever wondered what makes a great apron? Is it the fit, the style, or maybe how well it just protects you from those inevitable cooking messes? Well, today we're going to dive into the world of ASCOLOUR aprons, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. So let's kick things off with a quick introduction. ASCOLOUR is a popular brand known for its quality apparel and accessories, and their aprons are making waves in 2024. Today, I'll be reviewing some of their top styles, and you'll see why they're gaining so much love from home cooks and professionals alike. Now let's talk about the common issues folks are facing when it comes to aprons. Many aprons are either too tight or too loose, making it hard to concentrate on what's most important, the cooking. Then there's the whole durability thing. Nobody wants an apron that falls apart after a couple washes, am I right? Now let's not forget functionality. Some aprons have pockets that are too small or positioned awkwardly, which can be a real pain when you're trying to grab a spatula or season it. So with all those challenges in mind, let's see how ASCOLOUR measures up. Alright, moving to the fun part. Earlier today, I unboxed these aprons, and right here I'm going to show you my initial reaction. Today we received a package from our buddies over at ASCOLOUR, so we're going to open up the box, we're going to do an unboxing, and review these new products. So, alright, let's see what we got here. Looks like we received one canvas half apron, one carry apron, one denim half apron, and one linen apron. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Alright, so with this one right here, it looks like what we have here is this little buckle. Makes it easy to make it longer or shorter on the neck here. Alright, and it has one big pocket. At first I thought it was, oh, it is a double pocket. Yeah, so it looks like it's a double pocket right here. So one big pocket, one small pocket. And I'm guessing it could be for like a hostess or waitress. It looks like this side is for the pens, or if you're a cook, the spoons. And then something maybe more important, something that needs to be bigger here. And then it looks like on the sides it has two strings to tie on your waist. And then it has a hook, perfectly for after you're done hanging out, airing out, making sure that your apron doesn't smell like fried food or coffee or whatever it is that you're going to be using it for. All right, this one looks like this is the denim half apron, which is really, this is really nice. It feels like, honestly, like a light pair of jeans. Feels like denim. Looks like it's 100% real denim. We'll find out the specs on this in a bit here. But at first glance, it looks like each side has two openings, two holes, and it looks like every apron comes with this. All right, I haven't even touched this, so I don't know how this is supposed to be. So it looks like it has this strap here. I wonder how this is supposed to be. I feel like maybe it's supposed to go on the backside. I don't know if you guys can see this super well. Should I stand up more up here? Oh, geez. Oh, all right. So it looks like, for me, I'm about 5'8". I have this right above my waist, and it looks like it goes just below my knees. But maybe a little bit more difficult to... This one's a tricky one. It's a little... It's nice and intricate. Definitely looks elegant. Maybe personally a little too elegant for me. But very nice. Very nice. And here as well. Big double pocket, smaller pocket. Alright, on to the next one. Oh, wait, is this the canvas one? Oh, what is this one? This one is nice. All right, what is this? Elegant here. I'm already scared on how to try to put this on. with no instructions. I'm going to guess it goes over here. And then maybe... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is a good one. Underneath the arms. I'm sure real chefs know how to do this. Like, for chefs, I feel like this is probably how to do this is probably a no-brainer. But yeah, it looks like it goes under the arms and then crosses. And then you pull it in front of you. Tie it nice and tight. Tie it over here. Boom. Yo. This is nice. I haven't reviewed the other ones. I haven't given them a score. But this one, to me, 10 out of 10. So now we have another canvas one. All right, so the canvas half apron, another nice one. Very similar to the denim half apron. With no unique holes and straps. These straps, as you can see, are sewn in. Very easy. You take this right here, take it around your waist, put it around you, tie it forward. Now, as I mentioned, my favorite was the black carry apron. Now I just can't wait to get one of my own and embroider my household name on it. All right, and now as we wrap things up, let's recap what we've covered today. We've talked about common apron challenges, explored the different styles and features of ASCOLOUR aprons, and I've shared my favorite pick. Overall, these aprons are pretty impressive with the stylish designs and practical features. They definitely hit the mark in terms of comfort, functionality, although you might want to choose one that fits your specific needs. So before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite apron style? What's the best apron for your business? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested to obtain a bulk order of these aprons for your business, feel free to go to realthread.com, reach out to one of our account managers, and don't forget to tell them who sent you. Yes, that would be me, Isaiah.